It starts with a single spark, a question that won't let go. In 1985, two brothers began performing science experiments in their basement. What began as a hobby is now the world's leading STEM enrichment program.
When I saw the paper fly, I was like, whoa.
We're here to help kids explore the wonder of science, igniting a love of learning that lasts a lifetime.
I didn't know science would be this fun.
From classrooms to camps, birthday parties to special events.
My imagination is totally sparked.
Oh, yeah.
For over 40 years, we have brought extraordinary STEM experiences to millions of kids around the world. Today, we continue our mission of inspiring children through science, sparking lifelong imagination and curiosity.
This is Math Science.